A tiny hand holds the key to the skies. With every dream, watch the stars start to rise. Their laughter's the song that will heal every wound. In their hearts lies the world's greatest tune. Children of tomorrow, paint the earth in light. With love in their hearts, they turn wrong into right. Hope shines in their eyes, it's a flame that won't die. Making life better under one open sky. Teach them the language of hope and of care, the power of kindness to share everywhere. Show them the beauty that lives in each soul. A world bound by love, we are perfectly whole. No mountain too high, no ocean too wide. When will we stand hand in hand? Love is our guide. Friendship's the magic that breaks every chain. Through unity, sunshine will follow the way. Children of tomorrow,